have been displaced since November 2016 as a result of current drought. This number is even higher than the displacement figure we observed at the same period in time in 2011. The current drought and the looming famine pose yet another challenge to displaced communities. This is why the protracted nature of displacement in Somalia cannot remain ignored. In our National Development Plan, we articulate how we intend to mitigate the root cause of the cyclical drought in our country through longer-term investment in resilience programming. In our resilience pillar, we speak of a desire for Somalia to stand on its own feet and manage its problems and challenges itself. We want to reduce our humanitarian caseload by connecting our people with developmental situations and priorities in place of humanitarian actions. Today, in this room, I would like to call upon all of us to continue scaling up our efforts to respond to the current humanitarian crisis in Somalia. Although we have made significant efforts to prevent famine, the battle is not over. We must continue to keep famine at bay with an emergency response, but also focus on early recovery at least till the end of this year. The emphasis on our humanitarian response must not divert us from our commitment to the National Development Plan, which are equally important and critical to the future of Somalia. I thank you.
Your Excellency, President Farmaajo, thank you for your remarks, which clearly state, obviously, the scale of the challenge.